Oh, look at that. Huh, that's going to be wonderful. All right, this is everything that came in this kit. I got this part right here, which is the step, and then this is going to mount to my truck, and this is going to mount on here. So it came with this, and it did come with 4 bolts and a nut. Now, 2 of these bolts are a little bit longer. These are 2 are a little shorter, so just watch that when you're putting this together. And it looks to me like a 9/16 or a 14 millimeter fits really nice on these bolts. So I think whatever you got. I have a wrench. Mine's a little ratcheting wrench, and I have a socket. And I do have my torque wrench because it does come with torque settings if you would like to torque these on. I do have a creeper so I can get up under my truck a little easier, and a light so I can show you exactly where all these holes are at. All right, I'm on the driver's side. You might probably know that, but now I'm going to use my air compressor just to try to clean out these holes. All right, I'm going to use this hole and this hole, and there's a hole right here. This is what we're going to use to hook this step on. And another thing, you're going to want to maybe take like an air compressor. If you have a real little small wire brush, you'll be able to clean these out. But I already took this and blew these threads out like that and up in there, just to get the dirt out. And then after you get them blowed out, try those little ones in there, the shorter ones. Make sure they go in there. And these 2 holes, there's already a nut there. It's easier to do without a camera in your hand. Yeah, see that thread's right in there, nice. But make sure you can get them in there, because you might have some dirt in there you got to try to clean out. Okay. Oh, it does say 14 millimeter socket. All right, you're going to take this piece here and these 2 shorter bolts. And now, if you want to torque them on, these are 29 foot-pounds. That's going to go up in there. All right, I'm going to try to move this because it looks like it's in my way. I should be able to just pull this little tab down here. Pull that down. That should pop out. I should put that back, hopefully, when I'm done. Ooh, there. Everything's 10. Yep, it's a 10 millimeter. If you want to take this off and you can't get it on, it's a 10 millimeter. I don't think we have to take it all the way off. Oh, there we go. Now, let's see if I can get this in place. All right, I just loosened up this screw right up here with a 10 millimeter. You have to go up on top. I was able to move this around. Now, see if this piece will fit in there. There we go. We got her. Now, put these 2 bolts, the shorter bolts in there. Like that. All right, I did get this. I got this bolt on, and this bolt up in behind there where I told you that hole was, a little tricky. I ended up, you see I took this piece off, and I took, this was a 10 millimeter bolt right here I had to take off. And then there was another one of them clips right here that I took off of my bumper just to help that come over. When I did that, it helped me move this piece over to kind of get up in there. I didn't end up taking that whole thing out. So now I am going to torque mine. It does say 29 foot-pounds of torque for these ones. So I'm going to torque these. Oh, there we go. And this one up and behind here, the one that's hard to get, seemed like my deep well socket fit on there better. And it does say 14 millimeter, but the 9/16 will fit plenty tight enough. There we go. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to put all this stuff back together. put this clip in over here. Clip in 10mm bolt. Before I put that 10mm in, I gotta hook my bumper back together. There we go. Be careful when you're clipping this bumper back in, you don't bend any of them clips. I had to stick my screwdriver up in there because I look like I bent one a little bit. This 10mm back in here. All right, I'm going to try to put this back in place, I hope. Okay, there we go. Now that's all back together. Now I got to put that nut on. I got to put that nut on right here. Yeah, I guess that's 29 foot-pounds also. If you want to, I'll just put it on there pretty snug, I guess. All we got is 2 bolts and a step, which I already figured how this went on. So this has to go like this. And then there's 2 holes here on top that are going to be these 2 longer bolts. And then these were, yeah, these are the 33 foot-pounds. These should thread in real easy since it's all brand new. It's hard to show you this stuff. These are 33 foot-pounds, so I'm gonna put this to 33. Oh, there we go, easy. All right, let's try this step out. Oh, look at that. Huh, it's gonna be wonderful. I have a 3-inch lift on my truck, so it's really been a pain to get in the back of my, or in the bed of my truck. This step's gonna be nice. Oh, yeah, perfect. Pops up. Oh, that goes up nice. It doesn't hit my truck. You can pop it right down. Nice. Oh, perfect. Works awesome. All right, well, I hope this video helped you out because it was a little bit of a pain in the butt. It didn't tell you all that stuff in the directions. So if this video helped you out, give this video a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below. Like I said, at least let me know where you live. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to actually see on this 2022 Toyota Tundra. Now I'm also going to show you how to change the oil here in the future and probably do a few more other things on this truck. Hit that subscribe button, help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.